Alright, it's time for your coffee break with ChinesePod again. I'm Charlie.
Hi, 大家好，欢迎来到中文播客，我是庆林。在上一期，我们认识了尼克和林助理，林助理已经接到尼克了。
So let me very quickly recap what happened last time. So our main character, Nick, successfully met up with Miss Lin, the assistant. So what's going to happen now?
在这一期，让我们一起看看尼克第一次到公司发生的事吧。
Let's take a look at Nick's day at the office.
让我们开始吧。
尼克，这里是营销部。各位，这是从美国总部来的尼克。
大家好，请多多指教。
这是营销部的陈经理。
幸会。
你好啊，听总部说，你对营销跟业务都很在行啊。
哪里，您过奖了。
这次总部派你来，是来考核的吗？
不敢，我是来帮忙的。
那你对当地市场了解吗？
不太了解，但是我对产品很熟悉，我可以帮忙优化营销策略。
很好，市场调查的资料我们有，你跟小张请教一下。
So we have Miss Lin introducing Nick to the whole department. But do we know which department?
营销部。
That would be marketing department.
我们也知道了尼克到底是从哪儿来的，他是从美国总部来的。
Oh, 美国, that's easy. America. But 总部, I believe that's headquarters. I hear a 部 in 总部, but I also hear 部 in
营销部，所以部就是部门的意思。
Oh, it means department.
在中国，如果我们第一次见到新同事，习惯说请多多指教。指教就是给我一些指导，给我一些教导的意思。
So as Lin says, 指教 means guidance, and Nick says, "Hi everybody, please give me some guidance." But I don't think Nick really needs any guidance. He's just being humble on his first day at work.
对，接下来啊，有一个新的人物要出现了，那就是陈经理。我们一般用姓氏加上职称来称呼。
Okay, could you give us some example, please, Lin?
王董事长。
Ladies and gentlemen, CEO Wang. Wait, that didn't sound quite right. Because I think in English, we cannot just put a title behind somebody's surname for everything. So say, 吴老师, we cannot just directly say teacher Wu. But in the Chinese culture, I think we can do that because that's a very important aspect. So people's titles are an important thing.
没错，尼克接着说，幸会，幸就是荣幸，会就是见面。那幸会的意思就是很荣幸和您见面。
Oh, so that just means it's nice to meet you, and to make it sound more fancy, it's a pleasure to meet you.
幸会。
So here, it seems like the manager is complimenting Nick. So is that the case?
陈经理对尼克说，你对营销跟业务都很在行啊。真的是在夸他吗？
Well, the manager says that Nick is competent at sales and marketing. To me, that's a clear compliment.
你等一下就知道了。让我们先来看这个句型吧。
All right, here we've got a very handy structure. We use 对. To understand this, we have to, let's start with the subject and we say something about the subject. For example, subject is 老板. Then 老板很满意.
老板很满意。
Right, the boss is satisfied. Then you ask, the boss is satisfied with what? 老板很满意. 老板对什么很满意？
老板对什么很满意？老板对你的表现很满意。
So the boss is satisfied with your performance. So back to the dialogue, it's the same logic. So the manager says, Nick is competent. So Nick is competent at what? Nick is competent at marketing and sales.
尼克对营销跟业务都很在行。我还有一个例子，
Oh, what is it?
我对你很感兴趣。
No, 但我其实没有。
停，我说我对你的穿着很感兴趣。
As you can see, I'm sort of speechless. I did not know how to react to Lynn's compliment. So how about we take a look at how Nick reacts to his compliment from the manager?
尼克回答：“您过奖了。过奖，过分的意思，奖是夸奖的意思，所以这句话的意思是您过分的夸奖我了，是谦虚的回答。”
So yeah, very straightforward. The 过 means too much or over, and then 奖 means praise. So together it means like overpraised, and the whole sentence would be, you speak too highly of me.
您过奖了。接着，陈经理问尼克：“这次总部派你来，是来考核的吗？”
So the manager asked, were you sent here by the headquarters to keep an eye on us?
我们先来看这个字“派”，
Pie as in apple pie?
不是，这里的“派”是送的意思。我来举个例子吧。我是董事长，我派经理去美国。
So in this case, I think we can use send is to send somebody to somewhere or to complete a certain task.
没错。我们再来看“考核”这个词。
No, I know this one. It's to evaluate or maybe to assess.
我们也经常听到绩效考核。
That would be an assessment of your performance.
没错。最后啊，我们再来看一个句型，是什么什么的。
Well, this is another...
Hello. We are so glad that you're enjoying this video so far, but you're not getting the full lesson here. The full lesson and the rest of this video are available on our site, ChinesePod.com. Give it a try and see how much more we have to offer. We have exercises, expanded examples, vocabulary, and downloadable material. You cannot get that here on YouTube. So, visit our website today, enter GRACE as the promo code, and get 20% off our premium subscriptions. I'll see you at ChinesePod.com.
But hurry, only the first 300 subscribers are allowed to redeem this deal. Use promo code GRACE for 20% off your entire premium subscription and launch your real learning experience.
ChinesePod, ChinesePod.